Who is taking these things? I am a single mother for crying out loud. I pay taxes only to watch these kinds of meetings. Who have you invited to these meetings to know what we are really going through? There is an honorable minister that said something. We are an angry lot, you people. Take care of us like you should. Well, this is what's going to happen. You will not sit here in these fancy places, beyond our taxes, and then traumatize us by paying to watch you. Stop it. I don't care anymore. We have feared everything there is to fear. I watched this on TV. What did he say? Who is he and what did he say? Bawonye. What will Ugandans do? What shall we do? What can we do? Ndete Esuse needs an extra 650,000 to buy tablets, which is a good advance. But what does the money do? Which have been paying for school fees? Who is taking these things?
Thank you.
Stop it, please. Stop it.
Thank you. The point
I don't know you by face, but stop these things.
Thank you.
Stop it. Stop it. We have human beings with feelings like you. We have hearts.